Let's make Pigar Pigar. Normally you use buffalo meat for this dish, but for my take, I use a nicely marbled ribeye steak. We start off with slicing the steak as thin as possible, then marinate it with a little bit of pepper, some salt of course, liquid seasoning, a dash of soy sauce, and calamansi juice, but that's just me. Give a bit of massage and set aside. Now slice the vegetables, the cabbage, and the onions. You can do it thin or chunky, it's up to you. And then some spring onions, but that's just me again. Make sure the oil is hot, and voila! Shallow frying the meat. Yes, that's how it is. Give it a good stir for a couple of minutes until it steams off. Like that. Then you add your onions and of course the cabbage. Give it a good stir. Spring onions. And continue stirring and simmering away like so. I like having it with a bit of a dipping sauce, so I mix in some soy sauce, some liquid seasoning, some lime juice. Yes, I like to have that extra acidity into it. And of course, my famous BangBang Sauce. Yeah, look at that. Just add a dash of that liquid sunset. I call it like that. So there you have it, food talkers. My version of a very popular street food in the province of Pangasinan in the Philippines. This is Pigar Pigar. Yeah, it's so good they have to name it twice. Pigar Pigar.